Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daniel's Hustle. And hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling the $1,000,000 question, or at least, the question that gets you to the $1,000,000. Can you really monetize a YouTube channel in just 30 days? Let me tell you, the answer is a resounding yes. But, and this is a big but, it's not going to be easy. It's a sprint, not a marathon. It requires intense focus, a solid strategy, and a whole lot of hustle. So if you're ready to put in the work and see real results, grab a notebook, because I'm about to lay out the exact blueprint you need to follow. Let's get started. First things first, let's be clear on the goal. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need two things: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of public watch time within the last 12 months. Hitting both of these in 30 days is a massive challenge, but it's entirely possible if you're strategic. This isn't about luck, it's about engineering your success from day one. So, where do we start? Week 1 is all about foundation and research. You can't just start posting random videos and hope for the best. You need to pick a niche. And not just any niche, but a high-velocity niche. These are topics with high search volume and a passionate, engaged audience. Think about things like personal finance, specific tech tutorials, breaking news commentary in a particular industry, or even trending challenges. The key is to find something people are actively searching for right now. Use tools like Google Trends and YouTube's own search bar to see what's popping. Type in a keyword and see what auto-completes. Those are your golden nuggets. Once you have your niche, your next mission in week 1 is to batch create content. I'm not talking about 1 or 2 videos. For this 30-day sprint, you need an arsenal. I want you to plan the script and film at least 8 to 12 videos before you even think about publishing. Why? Because consistency is your greatest weapon. When you start posting, you need to be able to release content on a predictable schedule without the stress of filming every single day. This front-loading of work is what separates the people who burn out from the people who break through. Your videos should be high value, answer specific questions, and solve problems for your target audience. Alright, moving into week 2. It's time for launch and promotion. You've got your videos ready. Now, you're going to start publishing. But we're not just going to upload and pray. We need an aggressive publishing schedule. For this 30-day challenge, I recommend publishing a new video every other day, or at a minimum, 3 times a week. This constant stream of new content signals to the YouTube algorithm that your channel is active and relevant, increasing the chances of your videos being recommended. And with every single video you publish, you need a promotion checklist. First, optimize your title, description, and tags with the keywords you researched in week 1. Make your thumbnails bright, clear, and clickable. They are your digital billboards. Second, share your video everywhere. Post it on your personal social media and relevant Facebook groups, on Reddit, on Pinterest, on LinkedIn, wherever your potential audience hangs out. Don't just drop a link and run. Write a compelling caption that teases the value of the video and encourages people to click and watch. The initial views you get in the first 24 hours are critical, and this external push is how you jumpstart the algorithm. Now for the secret weapon of week 2: community engagement. This is non-negotiable. You must reply to every single comment you get. Ask questions in your videos to encourage comments. When someone leaves a thoughtful comment, pin it or give it a heart. Make your early viewers feel seen and appreciated. This fosters a sense of community that turns casual viewers into loyal subscribers. People subscribe to people, not just to content. So be present, be helpful, and start building your tribe from the very first comment. We're halfway there. Week 3 is all about analysis and amplification. By now, you've published a handful of videos and you're starting to get some data in your YouTube Studio analytics. This is where you become a detective. Go into your analytics and look at which videos are getting the most views. What's your average view duration? Where is your traffic coming from? One or two of your videos will likely be performing better than the others. This is your hero content. Your job this week is to figure out why it's performing well. Was it the topic? The title? The thumbnail style? Once you identify your winning formula, you double down on it. Your next batch of videos should be inspired by your top performing content. Create a part 2, explore a related subtopic, or create another video in the same style. You're essentially listening to what your audience and the algorithm are telling you they want, and you're giving them more of it. This is how you create momentum. Don't get attached to video ideas that aren't working. Be ruthless, follow the data, and give the people what they want. This feedback loop is the engine of rapid channel growth. This is also a great week to experiment with different content formats. If you've only been doing long-form videos, try creating some YouTube Shorts. Shorts are a phenomenal tool for discoverability and can bring in a huge number of subscribers very quickly. Create a few shorts that are either clips from your longer videos or quick, snappy, standalone pieces of advice related to your niche. They won't contribute much to your 4,000 watch hours, but they are a supercharger for hitting that 1,000 subscriber milestone. The goal here is to use every tool YouTube gives you to maximize your reach. Welcome to the final stretch, week 4. This is the all-out sprint to the finish line. The theme for this week is collaboration and conversion. It's time to leverage the power of other people's audiences. Find other small creators in your niche, people who are also on the grind. Reach out to them and propose a collaboration. This doesn't have to be a full co-hosted video. It could be as simple as shouting each other out in your next video or featuring each other on your community tabs. A mention from another channel, even a small one, can send a wave of new, highly relevant viewers your way. These viewers are often more likely to subscribe because they already trust the person who recommended you. The second part of week 4 is a relentless focus on your call to actions, or CTA letters. In every single video, you need to be explicitly asking people to subscribe and telling them why they should. Don't just say please subscribe. Say something like, if you're getting value from this content and want to master your niche. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss my next video on upcoming topic. Give them a reason. Remind them of the value you provide. You can also add a verbal CTA in the middle of your video, not just at the end, to catch people before they click away. Be confident, not pushy. You've been providing value, and it's okay to ask for the subscribe in return. Finally, throughout this entire 30-day period, one of the most powerful things you can do is go live. Plan 1 or 2 live streams. You can do a Q&A session, a live workshop, or just work on a project and chat with your audience. Live streams generate a ton of watch hours in a short amount of time because you have multiple people watching simultaneously for an extended period. A 1-hour live stream with just 20 concurrent viewers is 20 hours of watch time right there. It is also an incredible way to connect with your audience on a personal level and convert viewers into subscribers in real time. So there you have it, the 30-day monetization sprint. Week 1, research and batch creation. Week 2, launch and aggressive promotion. Week 3, analyze your data and double down on what works. And Week 4, collaborate and convert with strong calls to action. It's a grueling, intense process, but it forces you to build the habits that successful YouTubers live by. Even if you don't hit the 4,000 hours and 1,000 subs in exactly 30 days by following this plan, you will have built an incredible foundation and a powerful momentum that will get you monetized far faster than you ever thought possible. You'll have a content library, an engaged early audience, and a data-driven strategy for moving forward. This journey is a test of discipline and strategy more than anything else. Remember, every view, every comment, and every subscriber is a real person. Serve them well, provide immense value, and the growth will follow. You absolutely have what it takes to make this happen. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this detailed guide. I truly hope it helps you on your YouTube journey. If you found this video valuable, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And of course, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more strategies to grow your channel and turn your passion into a profession. Let me know in the comments which part of this plan you're going to start with first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.